in our saving room and we have so many acts in here. I just save it. Oh yeah, we're Taglish. Sige. We're Taglish because we're in Philippines. I say that a lot because sorry. Hey Adam, I have an idea. Hey Adam, I have an idea.
What is that?
Go to me.
We're gonna go in English.
Yeah? Just go to me. I have a plan for this. You know, right, Adam Tube, you know that I have a secret passage, I have a secret room to go in Kuya Jordan's house, right? Secret room in Kuya Jordan's. That is into Kuya Jordan's house. It's going to Kuya Jordan's house. So yeah, you set my spawn point here. Spawn point. This is spawn point. Wait. Spawn. Wait. Just wait for me. Hey Adam, go to me. Make a house right over here.
Where am I?
Where are you?
Bakit? Bakit? Bakit?
Dad!
Bakit?
Slash.
Freaking Hannah is jealous of my other girl classmate. Break up na? No. She's just mother.
Slash. What is that? TP.
Dami mo kasi.
Slash TP to.
Okay, gusto. Hey, bitch! Fuck you up. Get the fuck out of there, man. Oh my god! This is I'm so sorry.
Okay, bad. Where's the here? Hey Adam. I'm gonna tell you something. Wait, I'm just gonna time set this. Hack for days. Adam, go there. Go outside. Why there's a hole here? Adam, go outside. Go make a house.
Okay, nag-make na.
Make your house on this side and near my house, and I'm gonna make you to go in my house, and I'm gonna make you to go in Jordan's house, right? That's so cool. Attaching. So yeah, make your house over here. Weather's here. Hack for days. Weather. I am addict in Minecraft. I'm not addict in Minecraft. I'm gonna make a secret passage here. So where are that's so good. Nice. So if
And
I
guys, my house is floating.
we need to get the floor. We need the floor fixed. So what do you want to get the floor clean? Do you want to change your floor into oak wood? Adam? You want that?
But I'm gonna mine it.
Oh, you're just, oh, nice, nice, nice. Why do you have cobblestone here? Hey, Adam,
And I just put that.
cobblestone equals life.
Yeah, that's life, man.
It's life. It's life. We don't have oak wood. Oh, we have 60 wood. Hey, Adam,
It's a lot of my money.
I have 42 wood. Hey, Adam, I think Dino Place is saying bad words. I think. In this vlog, he's not saying bad words, so he's not saying. Okay. There's a hole here. A hole in a hole.
That's for your house. I'm gonna teleport in your house.
No, why there's a hole here? Hole.
No, that's fine.
Oh, you're nice. You have a secret passage to my house now. We need ladder. And we need trapdoors. Hey, Adam, we need ladder and trapdoors. Oh my God, it's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock na, Adam. There's some, hey Adam, there's some sand here. But they're not
Wait a
gonna-
minute. Why do I have one torch? Oh, I'm so cool.
I'm gonna make you a torch. There you go, you have torches. Easy, right? Easy to go up in our house. Easy. My house is like a old house. Oh my God.
House is life.
Cobblestone equals life because my house is made out of cobblestone. So cobblestone equals life. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Kasi Sandy say that a lot. What? You don't have oak wood?
Have. That's a lot of my money.
Hey Adam, why do you not wearing all your iron helmet? You're not wearing your
Oh, forgot. Oh, shoot.
Gonna say bad word?
No, please shoot, man.
Yeah, gonna say bad word.
And I say shoot.
Shoot is not a bad word.
Shoot is, you're shooting, balls.
Shoot is forgot, right? Right, Adam? Shoot is a forgot. Oh my God, there's one sun here. Why do you?
Oh my God, I'm freaking hot.
They don't have money. They don't have money.
Moon.
You have so many money. If you finish making your house, I'm just gonna mine wood. Oo nga, grade 4 ka.
Pretty girlfriend. Pretty.
Huwag ka mag-crush. naman sa YouTube.
Ano mo yun? Oh, is it video? Yes. The YouTube that's hear that? The YouTube that's really hear that?
Yes.
And now it's, guys, it's the end of the vlog. Until next video. Bye! Subscribe! Bye! Subscribe to Easander. And bye, James. Bye!
So yeah.
Oh yeah, about that, what
Adam's vlog is done, so I'm gonna
is the...
wait. Are you gonna vlog again? Are you gonna vlog again?
Oh wait.
Are you gonna vlog again?
Please tell me more.
He's gonna vlog again! Yay!
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I cannot
It's
talk.
not vlogging again.
Oh yeah. Please send more of...
So yeah, I'm done. Are you done building your house? No. There's a freaking hole.
Yeah. Next video.
I'm just gonna build your house. I'm just so cool. I'll build your house because you're poor. So I'm just gonna help you. Hammers on their head, but I got what I'm alone instead. But I'm gonna sing what I'm. But I got watermelon instead. Hey, Dom, I fixed your house. So, yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So many vlogs. So yeah, guys. Bye. 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 And it's night time. So we're vlogging. It's 11 o'clock.